Hello children, we are going to see practice set 15.5. Find the areas of the given plots. All measures are in meters. Unit is given as meters. So here you see the given figure. So here triangle QAP, right angle triangle, this is the base, this is the height, perpendicular sides. Okay. Triangle RCS, again right angle triangle, here is 60 and another side is 25. Our right angle triangles and quadrilateral QACR is trapezium. So this figure. And in triangle QAP, length AP equals to 30, QA equals to 50 meters. So in triangle QAP, half of the product of the sides forming the right angle. So half into AP into QA, half into 30 into 50 is 750 square centimeter. Area of this trapezium. Why trapezium? Because these two sides are parallel, these two sides are not parallel. So here parallel side is 50 and 25 RC. So the sum and height, the distance between these two parallel lines is 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay. So in quadrilateral QACR, QA equals to 50, RC equals to 25 meter, length AC equals to AB plus BC equals to 60 meter. So area of quadrilateral QACR equals to half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into height. So half of 50 plus 25 into 60. So add this first. So half of 75 into 60, 2 ones are 2 30s are 30 into 75 is 2250 square meter. In triangle RCS, CS equals to 60 meter, RC equals to 25 meter. Area of triangle RCS equals to, it is a right angle triangle, half of product of the sides forming the right angle triangle. So half of CS into RC equals to half of 60 into 25. 2 ones are 2 30s are 30 into 25 equals to 750 square meter. Now, in triangle PTS, I am taking you to the figure PTS. This above figure was taken into three parts: right angle, triangle, and trapezium. Now, down part is taken as one triangle only, whose height is 30 and base is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60. That is PS. So, we will come across TB equals to 30 centimeters, PS equals to PA plus AB plus BC plus CS equals to 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60 equals to 150 meter. So area of triangle PTS equals to half base into height. So half of PS into TB equals to half of 150 into 30 equals to 2 ones are 275 is a 75 into 30 is 2250 square meter. Now area of the given plot completely QPTSR, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, you have to take all the alphabet. So area of triangle QAP plus area of trapezium what you have taken QACR, area of right angle what you have taken RCS, and area of triangle PTS half base into height what you have taken. So areas of all these four what you have calculated above is to be added. So 750 plus 2250 plus 750 plus 2250. So 3000 this becomes plus 3000 equals to 6000 square meter. The area of the given plot is 6000 square meter. Another figure is there. Here for this triangle. Now here you see AE is not given. It is a right angle triangle. So apply Pythagoras theorem. You can calculate AE. Then area of right angle triangle you know very well. This Heron's formula, triangle BCE by Heron's formula. And for this triangle CDE, half base is CE 28 and FD 16. So we'll see now. So in triangle ABE, angle BAE equals to 90 degree, AB equals to 24 centimeter, B equals to 30 meters. Apply Pythagoras theorem here. So AE square we have to find out. 30 square equals to 24 square plus AE square. 900 equals to 576 plus AE square. Therefore, length of AE square equals to 900 minus 576 equals to 324. Taking square root on both the sides, length AE equals to root of 324 equals to 18 meter. Now, area of triangle AB equals to half into product of the sides forming the right angle. Half into AE into AB. AE you have calculated above, so equals to half into 18 and 24 is given. So 2 in the 2 9 the 9 into 24 is 216 square meter. In triangle BCE, A equals to 30 meter, B equals to 28 meter, C equals to 26 meter. So semi-perimeter of triangle BCE equals to S equals to half of A plus B plus C equals to 30 plus 28 plus 26 divided by 2 equals to 84 by 2 equals to 42 meters. Now area of triangle BCE equals to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is known as Heron's formula. Apply the same, substitute the value. Now you know how to calculate. You will get area of triangle BCE equals to 336 square meter. In triangle EDC, CE equals to 28 and DF equals to 16 meters. So area of triangle EDC equals to half base into height. So half of CE into DF equals to half of 28 into 16. So 2 ones are 2 14s are 14 into 16 is 224. Now area of plot ABCDE equals to area of triangle ABE, area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle EDC, what you have calculated above. 216 plus 336 plus 224 equals to 776 square meter. Therefore, the area of the given plot is 776 square. I'm sure it is easy. In the next video, we are going to see the next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.